Now this is how you take a box out. Wrench plus cheap ass jack, and it's moving little by little.
Luckily the floor's out of MDF, so it'll just rip screws right out of the wood.
Yeah.
Anything that's holding it down.
Makes me laugh. I think that's like the top of the jack, not yet.
There we go.
Start breaking stuff. There we go. Easiest way to ever get a wall out. Cut a piece out and just start jacking it up. And if you don't have enough room, just add 2x4s.
It's picking up this carpet with it.
Yeah. It's all spray foamed underneath there, I think.
If not, we're at least gonna eat this. You can hear it just fucking working on it.
There you go. There we go, though. You can see how much higher that is than the other piece when we first started. So
This looks like almost 1-inch MDF though.
it's way bigger than those. I mean, you can
First layer,
you
I'm
can,
saying.
Oh yeah.
2x4s and 4x6s and started from the bottom. Now we're here.
There you go. Perfect. Decaf that. Oh, shit's starting to snap. Oh yeah. Oh, you almost smacked the fucking beer bottle.
Huh?
You almost smacked the fucking beer bottle with your arm.
Alright, we're just gonna let it kind of work on itself for a minute.
Alright, but anyway, guys, you know, it started from the bottom, now it's there. So, there we go. Just a quick video just to show you if you ever get stuck with a vehicle that has a shell bolt, do work.